Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating the structure you will grade. Open Google Forms and pick blank or the quiz template, then go to Settings and turn on Make this a quiz. Once done, choose whether to release grades immediately or later, because that affects student feedback. Make sure to set point values for at least one question so the scoring appears. Also confirm respondents can see missed questions and correct answers if you want them to learn from mistakes. Now assemble your questions and the grading logic. Add multiple choice, checkbox, short answer, or paragraph questions depending on expected responses. Then open the answer key to assign point values and mark correct answers. For short answers, add alternate correct responses and specify case sensitivity if needed. Use sections and the Go to section based on answer feature to create adaptive paths. This enforces flow, gives remediation, or skips advanced items based on student choices. Finish by previewing and taking the quiz yourself to confirm scoring, branching, and feedback behave as intended. Make final adjustments. Enable question shuffling, add response validation, and set a time limit with an add-on if necessary. Then configure sharing. Choose collect email addresses or limit to your domain so only intended students respond. If scores don't match, revisit the answer key and validation rules. If students can't act.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.